This is the C4 Original Pre-Workout Mango Foxtrot. I love this flavor when I got it at the grocery store, so I wanted to try the powder form of it, and it's actually pretty good. You can see it came sealed really well, arrived safely, and it was packaged and sealed safely. It actually has a really cool lid on the top too. So with this product, you're gonna get all the things I like. 150 milligrams of caffeine, 2,500% of your daily value for B12, 200% of the B6. We have 188% of the niacin. This is where I really like the kick. And we have 278% of the vitamin C. Best part, no sugars, 1 gram of carbs, and 5 calories. You can see it's a powder that I've actually only used 1 scoop out of here. And another thing I noticed that I kind of like is the scoop itself is just exactly the right size to put over top of a bottle of water, at least this 1 liter bottle. And it fit over there real nice, so I didn't have any spillage. As it comes with a silicone pack inside of here to keep the moisture from getting in there, which I like. As far as the flavor goes, it tastes exactly like the stuff in the store. You're supposed to put 1 scoop of this into a 6-ounce bottle. I went ahead and put it into a liter bottle because I want to get my liter of water, plus I want to get the benefits of the C4 at the same time. Love the kick I get from it and the energy boost. C4 Pre-Workout Mango Foxtrot. Love it.